Hello Jayden. So for this video lesson, we're going to go over a few things today. So just make sure to start off, you're going over the showcase solos. Bark at the Moon. Tornado of Souls. You pretty much got those. Make sure you're still practicing right here, Unwind the Chainsaw. And then the next one with the 11, 9, 10. And then it repeats here, and then you don't have to do that fourth measure because that's when the drums kick in right here. And then right here, you do the slide into the octave power chords, 5, 7, 7, 9, 8, 10. Into the 4, 6, 5, 7, 7, 9 octave power chords. And then the other guitar just goes open. 0, 2. And these were optional ones that like might sound kind of cool later on, but if you just to keep it simple with the open, the 0, 0, 2. And then also practice MIA. And that repeats twice, and then the showcase is over. Next thing, let's go over, you pretty much have the Afterlife solo. It's just the ending right here. Just remember the 13, 10, 10. Remember slow, 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 and then fast, 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 fast. So 3 slows. And then when you get to the 13, just remember it starts with the 13 again, but slow. After the 13 fast, 13 slow. So slow, fast, 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 fast. And then immediately after that 13, 13, it's 13, 13 slow. So let's just remember. And then after that one, the repeat, then we go the 10, the 15, 13, 17. And then remember pinky goes up to the 17th on the B string. Same slow, 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 which is right, slow, 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 and then fast, 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 fast. Oh, whoops, my webcam was blocking that one, so just remember here, the slow, 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 and then fast, 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 fast. One more time with that one. So slow, start with the 15 to 13, 13, and 17 on the B string. And then 13 with the 17 on the high E, up to the B string, 17th fret. Oh. And then fast, 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 fast. And then for the last part, you pretty much have this one. Just make sure you're going over that a few more times. So the 18, 17, 15 on both strings. And 17, 15, 13 on both strings. And then the other part, you remember it's just 14, 12, 10. So backward, forward with the slide. All on the G string. And back to 14, and then you go back, forward again, slide and slide back, or back, and then back on the D string. And then, oh yeah, then we slide to the 18th fret with the harmonic on the 7. So. then let's go over the trivium riffs. So the last one from last week, we got this one. If you remember, to start it off, all of these chords, these power chords. Okay. So the 558 to 557 to 555, 557, and then you drop down, open on the low D string, so we're in drop D, and then 5-7, 5-5, 5-8, 5-7. Oh, might have gotten a little out of tune there. Oh yeah. 1 second. Ooh. Gonna hit the bridge. Okay, almost done. There we go. Okay. So 558. And then we go into the fast part, triplet, triplet, 5, 6, 8, 6. Triplet, triplet, 5, 6, 7, 6. 5, 5, 5 triplet. 7, 6, 6 triplet. Ooh. Quickly over, middle finger on the 9th fret of the A string, 12. 12, 10, 8. So I'll just do one repeat of the chords and then down to the riff. So there's that one. And then for today, here's another trivium riff right here, like Light to the Flies. It's in drop D. We start with an 8 power chord in drop D. All right. Next thing, we go 10 on the A string, and if you see the palm mutes in between everything, the progression is 10, 8, 7, 5, 7, 8. And this is the same here. So the only difference in this riff is this, and these octave power chords at the end. So let's get this one first. We go 10, palm mute twice, 8, palm mute twice, 7, palm mute twice, 5, palm mute twice, back up to 7, and then 1 palm mute in between the 7 and 8 and after the 8. So that's that first part. This whole first line goes like this, 8 power chord. All right, now where it gets different is right here, this line, these two measures. So it's the same 10, 8, 7, like the beginning right here, except this time, instead of the 5 there, we do 7 on the D string. Instead of the 5, it's the 7. So here we go with this one. That's this one right here. One more time with that one. The 10, 8, 7, 7 on the D. 10, 8. All right. Now, after that one, you just repeat what you did at the beginning right there with the 10, 8, 7, 5, 7, and 8 with the single palm mutes in between the 7 and 8. And then you just add these octave power chords right here. Ooh. So 8-10, 7-9. Got a little out of tune. Okay, 10-8, 7-9. Down to 5-7. And then 12-14, 10-12, 8-10 power chords, octave power chords. So, and that whole sequence will sound kind of like this. So just like that. That one's a fun one to play. Just like the suffocating sight. And there's that one again. And now let's recap the riffs and scream again really quickly. If you remember the 12-12, and then you shift over to 13. This is then the drop C sharp, but I'm gonna drop D right now, so and that's the 12-15, 12, 12-11. Next one, same thing as the beginning, except this time instead of a 16 bend, you slide to the 20, put a slide, and then bend the 16. And then bom 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 bom, 14 on the G string. Next part, the slides, 3-12. 3, 5, 6. 6, 5, 3. Right there. And then you do that again. It's just 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And that all repeats again. If you remember this part, these cool octave power chords right here, a 5-5. So the 5 on the right here on the low D and the high D, same note, just an octave apart. 5, the 5s to 12 and 11, and you do, once you get to the 11, you do the slide back and forth from the 11 and 12 back to the 11. Seven to 10, you repeat that a few times. And then the riff right here, and that leads into the solo. And then we'll get the solo next week? After spring break, I think. All right. So see you then. We'll have some fun with that one. We'll practice the showcase and all that fun stuff. All right. So see you next time.